Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Refi Ameliawati. I'm from 5TC class. I'm student from the English Education Department, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, University of Mataram. Today I'm going to present my syntax analysis project as a part of the syntax course. In this presentation, I will explain the main points of my report, including syntax concepts, categories, phrases, constituency test, and reflection. Syntax is one of the most important branches of linguistics. It studies how words are arranged and combined to form meaningful sentences. For example, the cat kissed the mouse, and the mouse kissed the cat have the same words, but the structure changed the meaning. This shows that syntax connects structure and meaning. The purpose of this project is to explore how syntax works through several stages, understanding its basic properties, analyzing grammatical and lexical categories, identifying phrases and constituents, and testing sentence structure. In this first section, I describe the concept of syntax and its main properties. Syntax organizes words into meaningful structure using specific rules. There are 5 key properties of syntax. First is hierarchy. Sentences are built from smaller units like phrases and clauses. The second is recursion. Clauses can be aimed within other clauses, creating complex sentences. The third is structure dependence. Grammar depends on the structure, not just word order. The fourth is constituency. Its groups of words can function as a single unit. And the last is productivity. We can create unlimited new sentences using finite rules. These properties show that syntax is not just grammar, it is a system that reflects the creativity of human language. In this section, I analyze both lexical and grammatical categories using example sentences. For example, in the sentence, the students studied hard for the test. Students is a noun in plural form. Studied is a verb in a past tense. Hard is an adverb, and for the test is a prepositional phrase. This analysis helps us understand how each word has both a lexical identity and grammatical rule in building a sentence. In this part, I examined how words form large units called constituents, such as noun phrases, verb phrases, prepositional phrases, and complementizer phrases. Let's take example. She said that she would come early. The noun phrase is she. The verb phrase is said that she would come early. Inside it, there is a complementizer phrase that she would come early. This structure shows that sentences are hierarchical, not linear, meaning that phrases are nested inside one another to create full meaning. Okay, next. To check if groups of words truly form constituents, I use several constituency tests. The first is substitution test, is replacing a phrase with a pronoun. The second is movement test. It's moving a phrase to another position. And the last is coordination test, is joining two similar phrases with an or. For example, the students studied hard for the test. Substitution, they studied hard. It shows confirm NP, noun phrase. And next, movement. For the test, the students studied hard. Confirms PP. Coordination, for the test and for the exam, confirms PP. These tests show that sentence structure is based on the syntactic relationships, not just word order. To conclude, this project shows that sentence structure is a hierarchical and systematic, not random. Syntax helps us understand how meaning is built through structure. By studying syntax, we can better explain why some sentences are grammatical while others are not. It also supports effective teaching and learning, especially in improving students' reading and speaking accuracy. Thank you for listening, and the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.